Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Sensibility. On this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to unblock someone on Poppo Live. If you want to know how to unblock someone on Poppo Live, maybe you blocked someone, you added someone to blacklist, and you want to unblock the person. Sit tight and watch this video till the very end. All you need to do here is to go to your Poppo Live. On your Poppo Live, you click on me on the bottom of your screen. You can see the me icon on the bottom of your screen. Click on it. On the me, just like this, you click on settings. Then you can see blacklist. Click on blacklist. Then you can see I have blocked this person. This user is on my blacklist. So if I want to unblock the person, click on it. Click on the three dots on the top of your screen. You can see the three dots on the top. Click on it, then unblock. You can see unblock. Click on unblock. So guys, that's it. I've unblocked this user. So guys, we have come to the very end of this video. Please, if you found this video useful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a like. See you guys in my next video. Bye.